Number 1. 1965 AMC Rambler Ambassador, price $5,200, finished in striking fire engine red with a matching red interior, has traveled a total of 95,000 miles and features a 3-speed automatic transmission. Powered by its original 6-cylinder engine, the car runs strong without any issues, no overheating, no smoke, and a smooth shifting transmission. This Ambassador remains unaltered, boasting a straight body with all original panels, moldings, and trim intact, free from rust or accidents. It comes with a clean California title and is smog exempt, registered through October 2025. The vehicle has 4 new tires, each paired with the original wheel covers, ensuring a complete and authentic appearance. While the exterior is rust-free and well-preserved, the interior shows some age. The seats display tears that reveal the old foam padding, and the headliner is sagging, reflecting its vintage character. Number 2. 1969 Mercedes-Benz 280S, price $5,000. This is a classic car in excellent condition, featuring a 4-speed manual transmission and a clean title. This vehicle has traveled 120,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine. Its striking white exterior is paired beautifully with a red interior, offering a timeless and elegant aesthetic. The car is equipped with brand new tires, ensuring a smooth and reliable drive. It runs perfectly and is exceptionally clean both inside and out, reflecting meticulous care and maintenance. With the title in hand, this 280S is ready for its next owner to enjoy its classic charm and outstanding performance. Number 3. 1961 Volkswagen Beetle, price $6,500. This is a beautifully restored classic car that combines vintage charm with modern upgrades. With only 300 miles since restoration, this Beetle features a manual transmission and a sleek black exterior paired with a matching black interior. It holds a clean title and is powered by a reliable 1600 dual-port engine. The car boasts matching body and pan, ensuring authenticity, while the new shocks and brakes provide a smooth and safe driving experience. Additionally, the upholstery has been recently redone for both the front and back seats, adding to its comfort and appeal. This 1961 Beetle is a testament to meticulous care and attention to detail, making it a standout choice for any classic car enthusiast. Number 4. 1965 Chrysler Newport, price $9,000. This is a classic 4-door sedan that has retained its charm and originality. With just 75,000 miles on the odometer, it features a smooth automatic transmission and a powerful 383 Ci engine, making it a reliable and capable vehicle. The exterior is finished in a sophisticated beige, complemented by a tan interior, both of which are in good condition. The interior remains intact, with all parts present and well maintained, while the body, though solid, could benefit from some attention or a fresh clear coat to enhance its appearance. Recently, the engine received a tune-up, ensuring it runs great. This vehicle offers a comfortable driving experience, making it suitable as either a dependable daily driver or a stylish Sunday cruiser. Powered by gasoline, the Chrysler Newport embodies a blend of vintage style and practicality. Number 5. 1967 Ford Fairlane 500, price $8,999, with 90,105 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and comes in a striking red exterior paired with a matching red interior, both highlighting its timeless appeal. Powered by a V8 289 engine, this car includes several custom upgrades, such as custom tires and wheels, an Edelbrock carburetor, an Edelbrock intake manifold, and an Edelbrock air cleaner. Additional improvements include a new chrome alternator, a new battery, new front brakes, and new floor mats, ensuring a reliable and comfortable driving experience. The car is registered with current California plates, but the convertible top mechanism requires attention. Overall, this 1967 Ford Fairlane 500 offers a blend of style, power, and potential for further restoration or customization, making it an exciting choice for classic car enthusiasts. Number 6. 1972 Chevrolet El Camino, price $7,500. This classic vehicle in excellent condition. It features a freshly rebuilt 350 motor with a mild cam, offering impressive performance and plenty of power. The automatic transmission has been recently refreshed, and a new exhaust system has been installed, ensuring the car runs fantastic. It comes with staggered rally rims, 15x8 in the rear and 15x7 in the front, giving it a stylish stance. The exterior is painted gray, while the interior is clean with a sleek black finish, though the paint job could use some attention. Most of the chrome details have been completed, adding a touch of classic elegance. This El Camino has only 2,000 miles on it since its rebuild, making it a rare find for enthusiasts. The vehicle holds a clean title, and the registration tags are valid until March 2025. Number 7. 1960 Chevrolet Impala, price $5,000, with a total mileage of 84,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and showcases a striking blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior. This vehicle runs on gasoline and holds a clean title, with the pink slip in hand. Mechanically, the car is in excellent condition and runs, drives, stops, and brakes reliably. Under the hood, it is powered by a straight-six 235 engine paired with a 2-speed automatic powerglide transmission. Recent upgrades and maintenance include a new distributor, spark plugs, wires, radiator, carburetor rebuild, water pump gasket, exhaust manifold gasket, valve cover gasket, and a new alternator conversion. Additionally, the front brakes have been upgraded to CPP front disc brakes for improved stopping power. Although the car is mechanically sound, it requires a complete restoration, including metalwork. This 1960 Chevrolet Impala represents a solid foundation for a restoration project, combining a reliable drivetrain with its timeless design. Number 8. 1966 Oldsmobile 98, price $7,500. This is a true California classic, showcasing its original green exterior and boasting a rust-free body with no structural issues. This vintage car has traveled just 30,000 miles and is powered by a robust 425 CID big block engine paired with a turbo-hygromatic automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. In the last 3 years, thousands of dollars have been invested in maintenance and repairs, making it a dependable vehicle that starts, runs, drives, and stops with ease. It comes with a clean title, current registration in the owner's name, and remains an original California car, further adding to its authenticity. While the car is in great condition overall, it does require some minor TLC to bring it to its full potential. Number 9. 1985 Mercedes-Benz 300, price $7,500, with a distinguished 350,000 miles on the odometer. This car features a 3.0-liter, 5-cylinder turbocharged inline diesel engine and an automatic transmission. Its original condition is preserved, with no modifications or rebuild. The car is painted in a sleek silver exterior and complemented by a blue interior. It comes equipped with chrome rims, bumpers, mirrors, grille, and trim, adding to its timeless appeal. The vehicle also boasts front-wheel disc brakes, a wood-trimmed dashboard, and includes the original jack, tools, and a full-size spare tire in the trunk. For added peace of mind, the car comes with the original owner's manual, a maintenance booklet, and both the original key and spare keys. Key recent upgrades include brand new front tires, a new battery, newer belts, a new water pump, thermostat, motor mounts, header pipe, air filter mount bracket, and glow plugs, ensuring the car is in great running condition. Number 10. 1976 Chevrolet El Camino, price $9,000. It has 108,000 miles and features a stock 350 V8 engine with an automatic transmission. The silver exterior and blue interior are in great condition, with minimal rust. The car runs smoothly, starts every time, and has been a reliable daily driver. Recent upgrades include a new master cylinder and brakes, a rebuilt transmission, a new radiator, hoses, and thermostat, and a new headliner and carpet. The car also has a retro sound Bluetooth radio, power windows, and rally wheels with Cooper Cobra tires. The vehicle has a clean title and passed smog tests 8 months ago. It also has a brand new alternator, though the AC is not currently working. Overall, this El Camino is a well-maintained, enjoyable ride that is ready to cruise.